Hi, I'm Jeff Veley, and I make social and emotional learning fun. In my elementary assembly program, I teach students how to respond to mean behavior and manage enemies. Through illusions, comedy, and motivational speaking, I share the peace sign, an international award-winning approach to bullying. Watch as I empower students with simple skills that immediately diffuse conflict while building their resilience.
He pushed me. I was like, oh, nay. I said, don't you touch me. He said, what are you going to do about it? I said, don't you touch me. He said, or yeah, or what? I said, you better watch out, bro. I'm a ginger ninja. What's up?
Well, today I want to teach you the peace sign. 2 ninja skills you can use with anyone that's mean to you, anyone that's difficult, hurtful, and hateful. Everybody say peace. Peace. If you use these 2 simple ninja skills, anyone that's being mean to you, they won't want to be mean to you anymore.
Hey, idiot. Where'd you get your gel? Did you find it out of dumpster juice?
Dude, why are you so mean? My hair is awesome.
No, it's not. Same as your glasses, too.
Dude, you are so mean. Why are you so mean?
Maybe because you're a nerd.
Words don't have to hurt you. Words only have the power that you give them. See, when someone calls you a mean name, when they pick on you, when they tell you you're a loser, guess what? You can brush it off and say, oh, ain't no thing. You don't have to let it make you mad. Say, be strong on the inside. Be strong on the inside. Treat everyone like friends, even your enemies.
Sup, idiot?
Oh, you think I'm an idiot?
Yeah, nerd.
I know, I'm so nerdy. You're so cool. I wish I was as cool as you. You're so fashionable. Your hair is so perfect. I thought you were being mean. It's okay if you don't like me. It doesn't hurt my feelings, though. Well, the hate is gonna hate. And the break is gonna break. But I'm just gonna shake. I'll shake it off. Woo! Give yourselves a round of applause. That's some good clapping.